talk about our keyboard shortcuts in Gmail. The first thing you need to do is turn your shortcuts on. You're going to do that by going to the gear in the top right corner and selecting See All Settings. Once you do that, you're going to go over to your General tab and scroll down to locate your keyboard shortcuts. Your shortcuts are off by default, so you are going to turn them on and then scroll down to the bottom and select Save Changes. Once you do that, you can now use your keyboard to navigate through your Gmail inbox more quickly and efficiently. Let's learn about our keyboard shortcuts. There are hyperlinks included in the settings that will allow you to learn more about what the settings do. So, the first bit of information we have would be how to turn the shortcuts on for your computer, for your Android or iPhone and iPad tablet. Next, if you click on all the headers, you can see the shortcuts. And these shortcuts allow you to navigate your inbox and messages, format text, and complete actions like archiving and deleting. Some of my favorite shortcuts include pressing N on my keyboard to go to the next message in an open conversation. You are going to want to explore some of these shortcuts and see which ones would work for you. There are shortcuts for formatting text and actions. I also really enjoy using these shortcuts often, such as deleting. If you press the hashtag, that will delete an email. Replying, pressing R on your keyboard. Reply all, I can simply press A on my keyboard. F will allow me to forward the email, and Z will undo my last actions. I also really use this shortcut B. This shortcut will snooze the email and I can select a date and time for that email to reappear in my inbox. There are more shortcuts here for you to explore. You're going to want to look at all these shortcuts, maybe write some down or put them on a sticky note on your computer because these are really helpful for maintaining a nice and organized email account.